Hi children, we can continue our EVS chapter water or water. You have learned three forms of water. Do you remember that children? Water has three forms. Which are the three forms of water? Liquid form, solid form and gaseous form. So now we can discuss about this gaseous form. See, this is very hot water. I have closed it for some time. When I open this lid, see here you can see drops of water on the lid. Your mother also do like this. When she boil water, when she start to boil water, she will close a lid over the pot, and after boiling she will remove the lid in down. She will keep the lid in down. That time you can see water vapor on the lid. Then this water vapor, see, water started to boil. Boiled water, after cooling it will start to go up. Water vapor will go up and it will stay in this lid. It will stay in the lid. When it cools, it comes again as water. See, this is the droplets of water. This is the droplets of water. When that steam cools, it will start to come again as water. That process is called evaporation. That process is called evaporation. You don't have much about to study this evaporation. In higher classes, you are going to learn about this evaporation. You just understand what is evaporation. When water starts to boil, it gets in the form of steam, and after cooling, this steam becomes water again. That process, when water heats, it turns to steam. That process is called evaporation. And when that water boils to steam, water boils and moves to steam. This process is called liquid form will get changed into steam. This process is called evaporation. And this steam, again, this steam, when cools, it will starts to form as water again. It will starts to form again as water. You have seen that droplets of water sticking here. This water droplets are again formed in the form of water. Then this is called condensation. This process is called condensation. You understood? Evaporation and condensation. These are the two processes. When water boils and changes in the form of water vapor or steam, it is called evaporation. When the steam changes again into water, that process is called condensation. That process is called condensation. Now teacher will show you some more videos to understand this, and I will give you work also.
Dear children, we can start our EVS class. You have learned forms of water. Then in the video you have seen evaporation and condensation. Here next we are going to learn about rain. It wets the land. It makes puddles on the ground. Who will do this, children? Rain. We get rain from the sky. How does rain falls down on the earth? Can you say, children? We can look at that. It has a process that is called water cycle. The water cycle is a natural process of circulation of water from the land to the sky and back again. Again, teacher will say the water cycle is a natural process of circulation of water from the land to the sky and back again. In this process, water from water bodies like river, seas, ponds, ocean get heated up by the sun and forms water vapor. This water vapor rises up in the air and gets cooled and turns into clouds and finally into rains, and then after raining the land water goes into lakes, rivers, ponds, etc., which then go back to sea. These water from lakes, rivers, ponds will go back to the sea or ocean, and the cycle completes. This cycle then repeats again and again. How it will rotates like a cycle. We will get rain again, and this rainwater again goes to up and we will get rain again. This is the process of water cycle.